If you've decided to install new windows in your home, you're making a great choice. Not only will new windows enhance the aesthetic appeal of your home, but they'll also improve energy efficiency, increase security, and reduce noise. However, the process of window installation requires some preparation. Whether you're installing windows for the first time or replacing old ones, proper planning can help ensure a smooth and hassle-free installation experience. Here's how you can prepare your home for window installation in Dallas. Choose the right time for installation. Dallas weather can be unpredictable, with scorching summers, mild winters, and frequent thunderstorms. It's important to select a time for your window installation that minimizes disruptions and ensures that both you and the installation team are comfortable. If possible, aim for spring or fall when the temperatures are more moderate. However, if you're replacing windows in the summer or winter, make sure to check the forecast and plan accordingly. Clear the area around the windows before the installation team arrives. Clear away any furniture, plants, or decorations from the areas around the windows. The workers will need access to both the interior and exterior of the windows, and removing obstructions ensures that they can work efficiently. Take the time to protect any valuables, especially fragile items, by moving them to another room or covering them with protective sheets. If your windows are on the upper floors, make sure any outdoor items, such as garden furniture, are moved to prevent them from being damaged during installation. Prepare your home for noise and disruption. Window installation can be noisy, especially if the process involves removing old windows or making adjustments to the frame. You may want to inform your family members, neighbors, and pets ahead of time to avoid any surprises. Consider keeping pets in a separate room or kennel to reduce their stress, and try to keep young children occupied during the installation. If you work from home, let the installation team know so that they can plan around your schedule. Additionally, you may want to schedule a quiet activity or work outside of the home on installation day to avoid the noise and potential disruptions. Ensure proper access for the installation crew. The installation team will need to access both the interior and exterior of the windows. Make sure there are no obstructions in the way of the windows from both inside and outside. Trim any overgrown bushes or tree branches that might block access to the exterior of the windows. If your home has locked gates or security measures, provide the necessary access codes or keys so the team can get to work without delay. Check the window installation contract. Before the installation begins, review the details of your contract with the window company to ensure that everything is clear. Double-check the window type, style, and finish to avoid any misunderstandings. If you've requested special features, such as energy-efficient glass or custom designs, make sure they're included in the order. This will help to avoid delays or confusion during the installation process. Prepare for disposal of old windows. Window installation often involves removing old windows. Many professional window installers offer disposal services, but it's important to confirm this in advance. If the company doesn't handle disposal, you'll need to make arrangements for removing the old windows from your property. This is something to consider if you have large, heavy windows or if your home is located in an area with limited access for disposal. Have a plan for the day of installation. On the day of installation, make sure someone is available to answer any questions or concerns that may arise. Although most window installation companies are highly professional, it's helpful to have a point of contact in case there are issues with the windows or the installation process. If you can, try to be at home for the installation or have a trusted friend or family member on site to oversee things. Conclusion: preparing your home for window installation in Dallas is a straightforward process, but taking the right steps can make all the difference. From clearing the area to ensuring proper access, each step plays a role in ensuring that your installation goes smoothly and efficiently. By following these tips, you can enjoy the many benefits of your new windows with minimal disruption and hassle.